Classroom and office projectors need to be reliable, bright, and simple to operate, and the Epson PowerLite 118, model EPSV11HA03020, checks all of those boxes. This 3LCD XGA projector is designed to deliver clear, vibrant images without unnecessary complexity, making it ideal for classrooms, training rooms, or smaller meeting spaces. Its compact design, measuring just 3.6 by 11.6 by 10.2 inches, allows for easy placement on a desk, shelf, or ceiling mount. The lightweight frame also makes it portable enough to move between rooms when needed, which adds versatility for educators and professionals alike. The core strength of this projector is its 3LCD technology. Unlike single-chip projectors that can struggle with color accuracy, this system ensures consistent, bright, and lifelike colors across the entire image. The XGA resolution is ideal for presentations, slides, diagrams, and text-heavy content. Even though it's not full HD, the clarity is sufficient for most classroom and office scenarios, allowing everyone in the room to see content clearly, even from the back. Brightness is a critical factor, and the PowerLite 118 performs well in environments with ambient light. Presentations remain sharp and easy to read without requiring a completely dark room. Dual HDMI inputs are a practical feature, enabling multiple devices to be connected at once. Switching from a laptop to a media player or document camera is smooth, saving time and preventing interruptions during lessons or meetings. Ease of use is another highlight. The interface is intuitive, and settings like keystone correction, aspect ratio adjustments, and color tuning can be completed quickly. This is especially useful in classrooms or offices where quick setup is important. The projector is energy efficient and built to last. Epson is known for reliability, and the PowerLite 118 continues that legacy with durable components and long-lasting lamps, reducing the need for frequent replacements and minimizing maintenance costs. Audio is sufficient for smaller rooms thanks to built-in speakers. While external speakers can enhance sound for larger spaces, the integrated system handles standard presentations adequately. The projector's portability and simple plug-and-play setup make it easy to use in different locations. Setting it up doesn't require advanced technical knowledge, which is perfect for classrooms and offices that need a solution that works immediately. Maintenance is straightforward. The projector alerts users when the lamp needs replacement, preventing downtime and keeping presentations running smoothly. This feature is especially valuable in environments where consistent performance is critical. Overall, the Epson PowerLite 118 focuses on delivering what matters most: bright, clear, and reliable projection without overcomplicating the process. It doesn't rely on gimmicks or extra features. Instead, it emphasizes real-world performance, making it a practical choice for educators, office professionals, and anyone who needs a dependable projector. Its combination of compact design, dual HDMI connectivity, energy efficiency, and straightforward operation makes it an attractive investment. For those ready to upgrade their presentations, enhance learning experiences, or improve office meetings, the Epson PowerLite 118 is a dependable, versatile solution. To check current pricing and purchase options, follow the link in the description. Investing in a projector like this can significantly improve visibility, engagement, and overall presentation quality.